I already love December for a number of reasons. I get 2 weeks off of school, it's Christmas, I get to see my family a lot more, and my parents come in from Seattle. But this December is extra special thanks to Courtney from Common Tags and her Holiday Box Swap, which I am so grateful that I get to be a part of. So if you want to see what I got, let me cover up her address and stuff. If you want to see what I got in this box, stay tuned.
Won't nobody love you the way they should. Won't nobody check up on you, make sure you're good. Won't nobody check those body tremors for your neck.
Hi everyone, my name is Becky Park and I am a part-time reseller on Poshmark and on eBay and Mercari, you'll say. And if you're coming over here for the first time from Courtney's channel, thank you so much for checking me out. I, like I said, am a part-time reseller, and when I'm not reselling, I am a full-time high school choir teacher, and I'm just really excited that I get to be a part of this box swap. I've been watching all of the box swap videos, both, from Courtney's end, as well as the people that she's been doing the box swap with, and I gotta hand it to you, Courtney. This is such a big venture that you took on. It is really generous of you that you are doing this, because I think probably like every single channel that is doing this with you, maybe with the exception of like one or two, are much smaller channels than yours. So the exposure that you're providing to everyone is just really amazing. And just trying to like organize my one box to send out to you, I was like, this is so much hard work. And then just thinking about the fact that you were doing literally 30 of these, I was like, okay, first of all, like I cannot complain. And second of all, the fact that you have done 30 of these, you are a doll. Like not just organizing and making sure that, you get the videos made and you get the boxes made and you get the boxes sent out to everyone, but also just the fact that you had to source enough for 30 of these boxes. So in case this is the very first box swap video that you're watching, which it probably is not. Basically, what Courtney asked us to do was to source for 2 hours and to create a 5-pound bundle that we could put in a box, and we would send it out to her and she would do the same thing and she would send it out to us. Courtney is a full-time reseller based in the LA area. She actually lives like 2 hours away from LA, which means she has to drive 2 hours to get to her bins or to get to LA to source. And I really admire her work ethic. Like that's one of the greatest things about her, and watching her channel is just to see her hustle. Like it's crazy. So she sourced for us and put together these 5-pound bundles, which I have in my hand, and we were supposed to source for her in that 2-hour period. December is honestly just like a super busy time for me as a choir director, because I am doing so many like gigs and concerts and things like that with my students. So I never really had a 2-hour stretch to source. And so what I did was I went for like half-hour stretches here and there. And then I also sent her some stuff that I've received within the month for free from friends, because I feel like that's one of the things that I'm known for, is selling things that I get for free from friends who live near me, who are just like, I don't have a use for this, I'm gonna donate it anyway, do you want it? And I get some really great stuff and I make a lot of money that way. So I did send her some free stuff as well as stuff that I tried to source. And this box that she sent me has literally been taunting me for like the last couple of weeks, because she sent it out to me probably at the beginning of December, and I'm so excited to just dig into it. Also, excuse my voice, I'm still just getting over not having a voice, but I wanted to go ahead and get this filmed so that I could send the link to her and so I could just see what's inside of this box. So here we go. Here are my scissors. I'm gonna dive right in. We're gonna see what she sent me, and I'm so excited because one of the greatest things about her channel, Common Tags, is that she does a lot of haul videos and she shows you what kind of stuff she's getting, and it's amazing. So let's see what kind of LA goodness I got in my box. This is what it looks like when you open it. There is a little card. There's a little paper explaining what's going on. Papers are falling out. And there is just a really beautiful array of colors already. Card. Oh, it's got like a little Christmas tree. And it says, Becky, thank you for participating in the Holiday Box Swap. I hope you and your family have a wonderful holiday season. We are so far, so thank you for that. And she's got this really just like professional looking letter that I'm sure most of you have seen in her other videos. Below she has provided the comps. I'm gonna try not to look at it because I don't want to give anything away and I want to be really excited with each piece. I'm not going to read it to you because you've probably heard a lot of other people read this letter to you. But one thing I do want to highlight is the fact that she says, "Thank you for joining Common Tag's first annual Holiday Reseller Swap Box. Let me just say, if this is annual, like please put my name down for next year's because I'm already enjoying myself." Let's get right in. I have like a piece of hair in my mouth and I can't get it out. Like, what in the world? This is the first piece. I'm going to need to move back so I can accurately show you stuff. And because this is from Courtney, I mean, I do this anyway, but I'm going to do the Courtney, like, you know, this is how she holds stuff when she does her hauls. But this is a green top by Little Yellow Button. This is an Anthropology brand. This is what the label looks like. And you can see like a little actual yellow button. I've only found this brand once before. And I love finding Anthropology because I don't get very much in my area. And it's this green tunic, but it's got like this other panel of fabric on the bottom, which is really gorgeous. And it's really lightweight. And you know, she like says in her letter that she hasn't washed or steamed anything, but this already looks like it's been steamed or something. And it's got this nice little like button detail on the side. It is, I think, 3/4 sleeve, just really pretty. This is a size medium, and let's see what the fabric content is. But it's a really cool tunic. It is polyester rayon spandex. I did think there was at least some rayon in it because it's really soft, but that is just gorgeous. It makes me think of her actually because I know she likes to wear green, and I actually sent her some green stuff that I hope she keeps. She probably won't because she's trying really hard not to keep stuff, but I hope she at least wears some of it in her videos. So that was the first piece, and she's saying comps are $15 to $20. I still mark my Anthropology up pretty high because, like I said, I still get really excited about finding it, but she's probably right. That's about what Anthropology can get. Okay, the next piece is this like brownish, is it a dress? I think it's a dress. Oh, it's definitely a dress. It's like a maxi dress. It's by the brand Jigsaw. And I've never found this brand before. Jigsaw in a size medium. It is really soft, just like a really simple tank dress. I have heard resellers talk about this before, and I feel like they've had really good things to say about it. So I'm really excited to see what she's saying the comps are for this. So that's the dress. Jigsaw gray. Okay, she's saying it's gray. It's my lighting. It's like a grayish brown. Jigsaw gray sleeveless maxi dress in a size medium, $20 to $25. That is really awesome. And it's really soft and nice, like I said. If it were my size, I'd definitely be keeping it. But it's probably going to be like 10 inches too long on me because I'm so short. Okay, this is really pretty. This is definitely brown. It is a brown mini skirt, and it's got this gorgeous, is it? No, it's not a skirt. It's a pair of shorts. And it's got this beautiful sheen to it. It's definitely high-waisted then. And it is by the brand, oh my gosh. It is by Kate Spade Saturday. Saturday is kind of like her lower tier line. It's a little bit more affordable, a little bit more casual. And I've only seen it once at a thrift store in my area. And it was just like beyond repair. Like it was in such bad condition, so I didn't pick it up. So this is the first time, I think, ever that I will be selling Kate Spade in my Poshmark closet. How exciting. And this is really cute. Like, it's really pretty. It's got these pleats down the center. And like I said, just like the sheen, like almost a satiny feel to it. It's got a side zip. Let's see what the size and what the materials are. It's a size 10. And it is made of viscose, acetate, and polyester. But wow, that is really exciting. I never find Kate Spade. So she's saying these are tan scuba shorts. Okay, so yeah, kind of like a scuba knit material. And she's saying $15 to $25. Awesome. Okay, next up, this is really cool. This is like an open knit sweater or a cardigan. It's a sweater. And it's got like this yellowish tan color to it. It almost looks asymmetrical, but maybe it's a high-low. But I think it's a high-low. I'm just kind of holding it weird. Let's see. Yeah, it's a high-low open knit sweater, and it's got, or it's almost even like a cape, but it's got, you know, just like a seam here, and it's got the sleeve opening right there, but it's like nice and open. You obviously need to wear like a tank or something underneath it. It is by the brand JOH. I don't know what that is. And it is a size large, extra large. There's the tag. Let's see what this is. So JOH, I guess it's not like an acronym for anything. Size large, extra large, and the comps are $15 to $25. That's really cool, and I'm gonna make sure that I get this listed really soon because, you know, it is kind of more like fallish, I'd say, but definitely appropriate for like fall and winter. So that's really nice. Oh, you guys, my voice. This is like, I know I sound like a broken record because my voice has been in this state for just so long, but I'm never gonna get over the fact that it sounds this dreadful, especially for this video. Okay, this is really pretty, and it feels like linen, maybe. It is this tank, and it has this really pretty striped print to it, and it's got these like, what are these called? These darts right here. And a lot of times if you have like darts and seams like that, it means that the item is really well constructed, and these cost money to put in. So if you see that, a lot of times it means that it's going to be worth a little bit more because the construction is there. I learned that from Voyage is a verb. And then on the back, it's got like this really cool strappy detail. Let's see what the brand is, and you can tie it right there. That's really cute. The brand is, oh, and it's got this open, oh, and the back, it just splits down the middle. So you get to show a little back. That's really nice. Where is the brand? Let's see if I can find it. Or it's brandless, which is fine because it's really cute. Well, let's see what she says. Oh, it's Free People. Okay, well, where does it say that? How did she know that? She just knows her Free People like the back of her hand, I guess. I still get real, oh, here it is. Okay. Cute. So Free People. And this is a size large. It was made in India. And I wonder if there is like a fabric. Yep. Okay. There's a materials tag here. And this is 100% cotton, but it's really soft. And that's really pretty. Definitely very Free People-esque, very bohemian. I love that. And I don't find a lot of Free People, so Free People is so exciting to me. She's saying that the comps for that are $15 to $20. A lot of $15 to $20 items in here, which I love. And a lot of the items in here are also a lot more lightweight, which is great because that means she was able to put more in there. And I know that's probably a lot of what she's finding in LA. This next piece is like a graphic tee, very graphic. It's got like metallic typography on it, and it says, what does it say? Christian Origin. I think that that's like a pretty decent brand, actually. I've never found anything by this brand. Yeah, Christian Origin. I'm not saying that right, but I'm just pretending I know how to speak French. I can never get the vowels, you know? But it's like this really cool shirt. It's really long, and it's got this woman's face on it. She's kind of scary looking. She looks kind of like a geisha. And she's got like a cherry in her mouth. Just a lot going on. It's really soft. There's the back. Oh, that's so interesting. And it says his name again. He really likes his name. He really likes to put his name on things. This symbol back here, I don't know what this is, but I feel like that's important and I should know what that is, but I don't. And there's another kind of like Japanese inspired woman. I'm pretty sure it's like a Japanese print. That's really cool though. And this is in a size, I don't know what the size is. Let's see if she knows. She said it's a size medium and it's a tunic tee. The comps are $15 to $20. That's really cool. I don't have anything like that in my Poshmark closet, and I feel like that will photograph really well, so that's really exciting. Geez, it's like the box that just keeps on going. I definitely did not send her this much stuff, so I feel kind of bad. I sent her like some bigger stuff though. Oh, this is great. This is Torrid. And it is, oh, it's like an open front cardigan. And the back is what makes it special. The back has this big skull graphic on it. And Torrid is a plus size line, and they sell it like at malls and stuff. It's a mall store, it's a mall brand, but they're really well known for like their skull prints and things like that. So the fact that this has a big giant skull on the back is great, and it is a size 4, which is great. Torrid uses vanity sizing, so size 4 is like a 4X. So let's see what she's saying. She's saying it's a Torrid black skull waterfall cardigan in a size 4X. She's saying that the comps are $20 to $30. Awesome. Okay, let's see what else there is. This is really pretty. This is, it's kind of like, I'm trying to get it unfolded. It's like a cropped Henley shirt. And it's got this really cool, it almost looks, it's not watercolor print, but it's got like, yeah, like almost like a tie-dye watercolor print to it. It's, okay, I'm showing you the back. Sorry. So it's not a Henley top. I saw the buttons and I thought Henley, but it like has buttons on the back, which are really cute. And it's got like almost like a boat neck feature to it. And it's 3/4 length sleeves, cropped like I said. And the brand is Language. I've never seen this before. Size small. That's what that looks like. And I don't know, it's just really interesting. I feel like it'd be really cute with a pair of like high-waisted jeans. And this is in a size small. So let's see what she says about that. She's saying that this is Anthropologie, and she's calling it tie-dye, so we'll say it's tie-dye. And she's saying that the comps for this are $10 to $20. I did not know that this brand was sold at Anthropologie, so that's really good to learn a new Anthropologie line. Let's see if it has the Anthropologie RN number. So the RN number is not the 66170. Is that what it is? I haven't found Anthropologie in so long, but maybe it's a brand that is sold at Anthropologie sometimes, and it has some silk in it, which is really nice. It is really soft. So that's exciting. Okay, final piece in here, and this is a pair of shorts by the brand Rich and Skinny. I think I have found this brand once before, and it's in this really bright like coral color, and this is a size 30, which is great. It's a bigger size, and it's made of cotton and polyester, and it's got some spandex in it, which is always great. It's always wonderful when there is some stretch to shorts. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these listed now too, because people are buying shorts even now, especially if they're going on vacation and stuff. So those are really awesome. And comps on those, she's saying, are $15 to $20 as well. So let's recap. We'll go backwards. There are these shorts, the coral colored shorts. Oh my gosh, and these would go really nicely with this tie-dye shirt. The colors are perfect. The Language top, Language, which I guess is sometimes sold at Anthropologie. And Anthropologie is, just like I said, something that I do not find a lot. This waterfall cardigan, let me show you the back, by Torrid, which I'm excited to list because it's a nice big size and perfect for this season. Christian Audige, however you say his name. I just spit a little bit on it. Sorry, Christian, I apologize. And this Free People tank with the beautiful embroidery on it. I forgot the brand already. JOH open knit sweater, just really oversized and perfect layering piece. The Kate Spade shorts, I'm so excited about these. Like, look at that shimmer, look at that shine. Ugh, gorgeous. The Jigsaw maxi dress and the Anthropologie little yellow button tunic. These are amazing. I am so excited to list them. I really think every single one of these will actually photograph so well. And so I'm really excited to add all this color and texture and just goodness to my Poshmark closet and eBay store. Courtney, again, thank you so much for organizing this. It was such a pleasure to be a part of this box swap with you, and I hope that you enjoyed the stuff that I sent you as well. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure that you click on the link in my description down below to check out what I sent Courtney. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you do. It would mean the world to me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit that like button, and that's it. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.